Yo, what's up, boys? How we doing? We got a little meat night going on tonight. We're rolling pretty deep. Should be interesting. We're headed to a meet now, and then there's another 2 at 9 o'clock. So in about an hour. But there's what, 6 of us? Yeah, 6 of us. We got Jigsaw 1000, Jigsaw 750, Jigsaw 600. We got Steven on the CBR 1K, and a ZX10. I gotta reiterate that you know, I do YouTube as a hobby. This is not my job. I upload when I can, but editing takes time, and sometimes I don't have a lot of time, you know. And when I'm out on the bike, a lot of the time I just try to enjoy the ride. But we're here now. I only have one camera, or one battery with me, so I hope this is enough. I think we should be okay. I can't hear you, bro! Oh, thanks, man! I f***ing neutral bomb next to the cool Camry guy! God damn it! I did that shit yesterday, man. It's because I'm hitting the power wheelie and I try and shift through it, but I don't make it all the way, so it goes into neutral, and then I just rev the bike. I look like a fucking asshole, but hey, bro, it happens. I get it one of these times. Whew. What the hell is this, bro? This don't look like a fucking car to me. What the fuck is this? Where are the cars? Bro, where are the... Yeah, I guess. Where are the cars, bro? Oh shit, what is that? Oh, type shit. Nah, that shit is Delta 8, bro. That is Delta 8, bro. I said that's Delta 8, bro.
Even if it is fucking
It's smoking spice.
Ah, no, fuck all that. Start dropping off.
Yeah. Yeah, right. Alright, so we're leaving the first meet. We picked Bobby up with the 636, the white 636. We're headed to the second meet now. And then there is also a race meet down south. I'm not sure if we're going to it yet, but we'll see. Deep. We're missing some people too. Woo! Oh my god, bro. There's usually some tomfoolery at this meet, but the private meet after this one is definitely a little more mature. I'll leave it at that. What the f is this guy doing, man? We'll take the shortcut. Look at the lineup, boys. Look at the lineup. Yeah. We're bouncing out. We're gonna go hit the race meet before that shit's over. Ooh. Ooh. Christ, bro. Heavy on the throttle, man. Jesus. I just wanted to do a little burnout. This guy's burning down the building. I gotta pull up directions to this meet. So we're headed to the race meet. We got a bit of a ride there. Bobby pushing that shit. God damn. Is cramping, bro. I didn't eat my banana today. Fashionably late, as always. Oh, there's still some cars here. Oh, yeah, there's still some cars here. Yeah, so this meet is much more low-key, but there's a lot faster cars here. Oh, brother. We're jumping on the highway. We're gonna run a Plaid. I've always kind of wondered how the bike would do against a Plaid, so I guess we'll find out. He said it loses power when the charge is kind of low, but it's 100% right now, so we're gonna see. 40, bro, 40. Come on, slow down, slow down, slow down. Yeah, you got me top end, bro. I knew he would. Yeah, that thing is fast as bro. Oh my god, man. That's so sick, bro. It went exactly how I thought it would. I got him from 60, well, I mean, we did a 40, but I got him from 40 to like 160, bro, and then it's just over, bro. That thing is all top end. Those cars are crazy, man. I mean, you gotta give it to Mr. Musk. Well, I know this battery is about to die, so I think I'm gonna call it here. I appreciate you boys hanging out with me. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate it. Again, I'm sorry for the delay in uploads, guys, but I don't want to upload me just riding around every day. I want it to be content. Take it easy. I hope each and every one of you have a blessed day, and I'll catch you boys in the next one.